longest serving player Orlando Pirates right now, was there. Orlando Pirates, he played no Happy Jele, this guy. Played no Innocent Maela, played no Mulenga, played no Shonga, played no Pule, played no Lodge. He's played with almost every best player that Orlando Pirates has had in like the last 6 years, right? Then Coach Abdeslam Moadu comes. Kabelo Dlamini is like the number 10 is Mtembile, because Wuyoka Utito if he roll, Kabelo Dlamini Shalama set piece. He's benched. We get to now the latest stage of the season where Abafita's not a chance. We want the league right now. And you have Dion Hoto taking a massive piece. We are Zama, but he's not a specialist like Okabelo Dlamini. You have Umfukeng trying to make those diagonal passes. We are Zama, but shines on Okabelo Dlamini. Mfana, what does the future hold for Okabelo Dlamini, Orlando Pirates, and how does he deal with the pressure of constantly sitting on the bench and seeing Ozona Polo who has less than a season shining? Sakako Bafana, Muremi, less than a season. Bafana Bafanga, Mfukeng, a guy that you probably groomed from TDC. Sakatatene line up. How does he deal with the kind of pressure?